Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple but powerful trick to fix a very common problem. Phone storage full and how a hidden trash folder might actually be the real reason behind it. So first of all, open your settings menu on your Android phone. Inside settings, you will find all system options that control your device performance and storage. Now scroll down carefully until you find an option like device care, battery and device care, or sometimes just storage depending on your phone model. Tap on it to continue. Once you are inside the storage section, your phone will start analyzing all the files stored on your device. Here you can see how much space is used by apps, images, videos, and system data. Now here comes the important part. First, look for the duplicate files option. Open it and your phone will automatically show repeated photos, videos, or documents that are taking unnecessary space. Select all duplicate files and delete them to instantly free up storage. Next, scroll and find the large files option. These are usually high-size videos, downloaded movies, or old media files that you may have forgotten. Open it, review carefully, and delete anything you no longer need. After that, go to the unused apps section. This is very important because many apps stay installed on your phone but are never used. They still take storage space and sometimes even run in the background. Select those unused apps and uninstall them to free up more space. Now here is the most important hidden step: the trash or recycle bin. Many users don't know this, but when you delete photos or files, they don't get permanently removed immediately. Instead, they go into a hidden trash folder. Open the trash section and you will see all previously deleted items still stored there. This is often the real culprit behind full storage issues. Now manually select everything and permanently delete all items. Finally, restart your phone to refresh the system. Once your phone turns back on, go to storage again and you will clearly notice a significant improvement in free space and performance. Your phone storage is now clean and optimized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.